when he's...
They meet something that wants to eat them. We have to follow her, Melanie says, full of urgency now that she sees what's at stake. We have to get back inside.
Okay, do you ever?
I'm sure you can tap them up because it affects my credit score.
It does, but also you just don't have any interest, right? If you're not taking advantage of anything.
Yeah, of course not.
Holy Oh, here's the balances. Yeah, savings $5.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Great time not being at work for 2 weeks.
What the...
That way, but it does send the wrong message out.
Valerie Bonk to the Ethiopia News.
DC traffic deaths reach a somber milestone, a high mark not seen in more than 15 years. The number of traffic deaths in the city is the most since 2007.
With 1 month left in this year, so far 45 people.
Explain. The latest announcement from OPEC Plus essentially maintains the status quo through March. So far, that has failed to significantly, even though the alliance accounts for about 40% of global oil production. The problem is that March...
Apparently, I did hear it because about a third of the video has been viewed. So you've absolutely, let me tell you this, you've absolutely, because they had this weird, like, meme moment. I don't remember exactly when. It might have been, like, 2010 or fucking...
The thing that scares me, and I said this on Joe's show last night, as awful as Mitch Trubisky can be, and as awful as he's shown us that he is, to sling the football, he will take shots downfield, and that kind of plays into the irresponsibility card about him. So, if for some reason, the Steelers first are obviously way better than the Patriots, if for some reason they connect somewhere, that's the only thing that scares me a little bit, is that he's really...
Video
video protected.
Do you mind just checking in on that thread and seeing what's up there?
Yep,
I'll put the Slack message in chat. Thank you.
Thanks, David.
Yo, I have you on camera. I'm gonna call the police right now.
Okay, call it.
I am. I have it on the dash cam. I'm calling the police right now.
Hey, this is not a big.
I'm calling the police.
But people say, oh, you should only collect what you eat. But and there's plenty of people that you can give that meat to, as long as it's legal. So I
I'm good, dude. Keep your sand. It's a thought that counts. You have a long ride home. It's a thought that counts, dude. Green light! Drive, Aaron. Just drive, bro. You don't have to make it any over-exaggerated.
I don't know what that person was doing. I don't know either. Alright, thank you. So I'll be right back. Yep. I'm going to grab something real quick.
You after taking the medicine.
Sunny! Sunny! Oh. Oh.
Jump in the box and clap to the
and the breeze is sticking around. And by the afternoon, some flurries are going to be headed our way as we reach a high of just 39 degrees. Right now, it's 47 in Oxford Circle, 48 degrees in Woodbury, and 47 degrees at North Broad Station on the Manias Northtown line. Sponsored by
Oh yeah, it's always on display now. Forgot about that. It just darkens a little bit.
Oh, man, the killers